ba? Pang reels.
Pining pa lang.
Paspason, maayad ha sulom. Maayad ha sulom.
Ikaw na lang pag maayad.
Darkest night, you are close like no other. Let your mother on your eyes, so Lord, bring
ang bulong sa inyo.
Welcome to the Non-Government Employees Multi-Purpose Cooperative 36th Annual General Assembly with the theme
Service and Beyond, redefining the member experience.
I am Berwin P. Bertugazo
And I am Molochoy M. Kaduya,
and we are your
hosts for today.
Proclamatory of the Sequential General Assembly. Okay, so doon na may nakita na kayo ng sinan. Hello, doon na may nakita na kayo. So at this point of time, the chair will open the table.
Information and technology. Ujamaa will invest in digital systems that allow members to transact faster and more conveniently.
Congratulations, members. Okay, once again, thank you for the General Assembly.
Yes, no, salamat kayo sa inyong mga morong sa pag-uban sa amuan mga karong Borasa and partner.
This has been the Kingdom Government Employees Multi-Purpose Cooperative. Ang kooperatiba at nakukitaan,
Tatak Budjenko.
who made your lives better.
Salamat sa grupa. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Again, Waki, 1, 2, 3. And last, salamat sa grupa again. Okay.